If you're looking for highly educational market analysis, then you are in the right place. This is the Transparent FX Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top podder on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight onto the charts. In today's video, I want to give an update and multi-time frame analysis of Euro USD. So first, I will be covering the technical aspect, then we will go and see what we have when it comes to the order flow. So the COT data, which is what the non-commercials and the biggest speculators in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by using the combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that at the moment we're testing a quite strong level of previous monthly resistance, which is now turned support and demand here. And as we're testing previous resistance turn support, we can expect a potential rejection higher, even all the way up for a completion at the previous support turn resistance. So here in the monthly, everything seems pretty bullish. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now here in the weekly, we can see how a very important structure level is this zone here. In fact, this level was acting as resistance. The market broke it to the upside at that point. Previous resistance was turned support here. And at the moment, the market is testing once again this support after creating this fake breakout to the downside. So at the moment, everything seems pretty bullish and we can expect a potential rejection higher. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now here in the daily, we can see that in creating this correction, the market has also started to create this M pattern. Now, in general, when you have the creation of an M pattern, what you want to see is the market create a move to the upside to go and complete the pattern at the previous support turned resistance. So here in the daily time frame as well, what we can expect is a potential rejection higher for the completion of this M pattern at the neckline, which is the previous support turned resistance. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the COT data, and we check the data specifically for the euro, what we can see here is that the net positions lately have been increasing quite a lot. In fact, we went from having a negative net positioning of minus 23.2k net positions with definitely more shorts than longs, all the way up to now having a positive net positioning of 38.8k net positions with 218.9k longs and 180k shorts. So the euro has definitely been getting stronger. So overall, we can expect a short-term longing opportunity here, at least for the completion of the M pattern. So how we will be approaching this? Now, as usual, with students, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best timeframes are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, with students, what we will be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we will have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries at that point, we could be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete the pattern at this previous support turned resistance here on the daily time frame. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. We're currently running a special promotion, so I really suggest you go and click down in description. With the mentorship program, first you learn all the rules of the strategies, then you also have the possibility to ask questions every day and get the answers, as well as having a daily market breakdown every day of the pairs that I'm looking for according to the rules of the strategies. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it.